place. Fire on my tongue, let it linger there for days. So you gotta heat it, oh, I need it. The spicy little thing, and you burn it up my brain. Hey, if you can't stand the heat, get out of this kitchen. You and me, baby, gonna make a hot chicken.
It's sort of addictive. When you eat it, it hurts so good.
It's an awakening. The eyes go in the back of their heads, and my goodness, they start trembling.
Anytime you go through suffering or some sort of an emotional experience with people, you leave with a bond.
Some people just roll around on the floor.
A guy had brought in his own cool towel.
They're going like, yeah, I'm gonna be okay. Just give me a minute, I'm gonna be okay. You know.
They say you think it's hot going in, imagine it going out. I'm just saying.
Since the time I've been doing this, I might have had 7 that go in there and eat my pepper and get up and talk to me. No less than 10.
My father always brought it home, had it on the stove. When we woke up Sunday morning, I was looking forward to seeing this big greasy bag and couldn't hardly wait to attack it. It's been going in our family for over 80 years. Anyway, it had to have started with a woman. She's the one that's cooking.
Being able to represent an iconic food item that was really born and bred out of this town a long time ago. We're just thrilled to be a part of Nashville.
You know, forget New York and culinary school and everywhere I've had food around the world. Every now and then you find something that has a taste, a sensation, an emotional experience that is totally unique. And that is what I discovered in Nashville Hot Chicken.
Because our recipe is full of love, joy, peace, and happiness. Can't get that everywhere.
Anything else, if you ain't cooking out of a cast iron skillet, you ain't cooking.
He's just old school.
People come here from all over the world.
Many times they have their luggage off the airplane with them. They haven't even gone to a hotel room.
It's totally amazing. I can't believe it.
We've had people say, well, I saw you on Anthony Bourdain, CNN, or we read about you in the New York Times.
We've been called all over the world to come and start a hot chicken place, but I'm afraid to go over the waters.
This is actually a look at our 3 hottest heat levels. This is hot, damn hot, and shut the cluck up. Shut the cluck up takes what's delicious about our hot chicken and just dumps heat and hellfire and hate all over it.
I asked you not to go over a meat.
No, there's actually no hate.
You're gonna get some bam when you first get it in your mouth. And then when you swallow it, you're gonna feel heat hit your esophagus. Then you think it's over. And then about 20 seconds, you're gonna get an illumination of hot.
We do have a garden hose attached outside of each back door of each restaurant. This is really good for the worst shut the cluck up moments. Milk is great too.
You get confused, you get dazed, then everything is funny.
I think having a heat level known as shut the cluck up is pretty cool and one that draws a lot of attention. But we've also got Southern fried chicken. So it becomes a choice, and some people make bad choices.
We've seen great egos be humbled, and they'll tell you, you got me.
Try it mild first, because our mild is hot. I don't go past mild.
My favorite is a breast quarter.
My plate of plates, minus the banana pudding and peach cobbler. Yes, I said and, I do both. But otherwise, this is it. It's our hot leg quarter on white bread with delicious kosher pickles, our pimento mac and cheese, and our creamy bacon redskin potato salad.
And you don't eat it with a knife and a fork. You just pinch it off.
I'm gonna order a small dark hot. I like bone-in chicken, I like dark meat chicken. I'll probably top that off with some collard greens and an order of french fries, crinkle cut french fries.
I don't care where you've had spicy chicken or buffalo wings or whatever.
No, this is Nashville.
The secret to Nashville is hot chicken.
He get out of this kitchen, but you and me, baby, gonna make a hot chicken.